Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial but with a twist. Since it's my birthday, I want to create like a super glam makeup look. But the products which I'll be using today are chosen by some YouTubers. So Instagram pe I reached out to a few of my favorite YouTubers and asked them to choose between two products for each makeup category. I messaged about 10 to 12 people and didn't really expect a reply from any one of them because they're like really big people. I didn't expect kiya tha ki koi bhi reply karega because I'm a very small content creator. I don't have any contacts, but a few of them replied and few of them didn't, so that's not a problem. But
it's okay, it's very okay, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
जिन्होंने रिप्लाई किया एंड जो प्रोडक्ट्स उन्होंने चूज़ किए हैं, सो आई एम गोना यूज़ दैट. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू नो हु दीज यूट्यूबर्स आर एंड द फाइनल लुक, so keep on watching till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn the notification bells on to get notified each time I upload a video. And now let's dive right into the before this makeup, I actually did like a nice pampering session to get that extra glow on my face as well as for my hair, so you can check that video out as well. I will link it in for you guys. And coming to the makeup, I'm going to start with the foundation. I messaged Akankssha for foundation. She is one of my most favorite beauty content creators. I love her makeup skills, and also she was like so sweet to reply within like 2 minutes of my message. She chose the Milani foundation. I will link in all the products for you guys in the description box, and I gave her an option between Lakme and Milani. She chose Milani, which I'm happy with because Milani foundation is my favorite. So for the concealer, I by mistake messaged two people. Both of them replied and both of them chose different products. First one being Anam and second being Simi.
कहाँ गई sense? बताओ मुझे कहाँ गई sense?
Anam is like one of the first YouTubers I ever started watching, and Simi, I recently came across her channel like almost 1 year back, and she's again fabulous. So Anam chose this Wet n Wild concealer and Simi chose Maybelline's concealer. So I'm going to use both of them. I'll start with this one because this is like full coverage, and Wet n Wild I'll use for highlighting. Categories powder, blush and contour. No one responded, so मैं obviously नाम नहीं लूँगी किसी का. It's completely fine. Them get like hundreds of messages daily. It's not possible to reply to each one of them. So I'm using my favorite Wet n Wild contouring palette, which has both setting powder and contouring powder. I'm going to move to the highlighter, and for highlighter I messaged Shivani Taneja. She replied with such a big message which I did not expect, and it made me so happy. I'll insert the screenshot of course. And for highlighter, she chose Maybelline ka Master Chrome highlighter, and she specifically said that it's your birthday, it's the perfect highlighter for that special occasion. For my eyeshadow, I messaged Ishita Khanna, and I love watching her fashion videos. She's just amazing with her fashion content. She chose Glitter Me All eyeshadow palette from Color Bar. Actually socha nahi hai which look I'm going to create, but just randomly I'm going to apply colors on my eyes. I'm using this pink shade first as the base color. Next I'm going to use this purple shade. I have no idea मैं क्या look create कर रही हूँ, but let's just experiment. That is it for the eyeshadow. I think it looks really nice. So that is it for my eyeshadow. I'm going to apply the eyeliner now. Next I'm using this shade, this rose gold sort of color, and it's beautiful glitter. So I'm going to apply this on the inner corners. It just looks stunning. I love this eyeshadow palette. All the colors are just amazing. Lakme's iconic mascara. Again, इसके लिए भी किसी ने reply नहीं किया. That's it for my eyes. Moving on to my lips. मैंने किसी को message नहीं किया because I did not know what kind of look I'm going to create. So I wanted कि एक बारी मेरा eye look complete हो जाए, उसके बाद मैं decide करूँ like I always do. So I did not message anyone. But I'm going to use this combination of Coffee Lite from Lakme and this Powder Puff Lippie in the shade Squad Goals. So I'm going to use the combination of these two. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think of this look. Even if you don't like it, just comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on so that you get notified each time I upload a video and keep coming back for more videos.